Ready? Start. Precisely, case of plaintiff is that year before the defendant borrowed a sum of rupees 3 lakh from the plaintiff and agreed to pay the same along with interest at the rate of 1% per month stop. In lieu thereof, defendant also executed pronote and receipt dated 11/7/2018 in favor of the plaintiff in presence of witnesses stop. The contents of the same were read over and explained to defendant, and after admitting the same to be correct and true, he put his signatures on pronote and receipt dated 11/7/2018 stop. The defendant has not paid even a single penny to the plaintiff out of the above said amount and interest stop. Plaintiff demanded the above said amount along with interest from defendant by showing him original pronote and receipt, but he flatly refused to make repayment of the amount along with interest to the plaintiff stop. Thus, request is made for relief to present suit stop. Learned counsel for the plaintiff has submitted that the plaintiff through its oral as well as documentary evidence has been able to establish his case, and as such defendant is liable to pay loan amount of rupees 3 lakh along with interest stop. The counsel for the plaintiff has prayed that the present suit may kindly be decreed as prayed for stop. The evidence produced by the plaintiff has remained unrebutted and unchallenged as the defendant was proceed against ex parte, but it becomes the duty of the court to look at the case of the plaintiff from all corners to whether the plaintiff bank has succeeded in proving its case for grant of relief to the satisfaction of the court stop. Perusal of the case file reveals that defendant borrowed a sum of rupees 3 lakh from the plaintiff and agreed to repay the said amount along with interest at the rate of 1% per month, and executed pronote and receipt dated 11/7/2018 in lieu thereof in presence of witnesses stop. However, as per pronote and receipt, same was executed on 11/7/2018, and the limitation in this case to be counted on the basis of Article 22 of Schedule 1 of Limitation Act 1963 stop. Briefly, the facts as put forth by the plaintiffs are that plaintiffs are true owners and in possession of the suit and cultivating the land peacefully stop. They have installed cemented pillars over the common dole of the suit land and also laid down barbed wire over the pillars stop. The defendants have no concern with the possession of the plaintiffs over the suit land